Actually, this company have been founded in 1999. So until now, 2021 is mean almost 22 years. Okay, we started this company in Los Angeles, California, in United States of America. And in 2002, okay, we start our factory in mainland China, Shanghai. And actually, for the past 20 over year, what we do, okay, what is this company dealing about? Because I believe that a lot of the so-called MLM leaders maybe is not so familiar with this company. Actually, we started this company with, we are mainly in research and development of high quality beauty raw material. So actually, we can position ourselves as the supplier of the raw material to some very famous brand in this world. Okay, I think among some of the brand that I believe we are more familiar in Malaysia market is like Lancome. I think the ladies should be quite familiar with this brand. Okay, and then like Shiseido. I always joking that even though I don't know Shiseido too much, but at that time, I know about SK2 because a lot of advertisement on the SK2. So it's like also we are the supplier, raw material supplier for the P&G. So I think P&G, a lot of people also know is a very famous, I mean, renowned company in the world. They got a lot of the household product like Pantene, like Dynamo, and so on. Okay, so talk about our company has already 22 years in history. And then who is our founder? I mean, who is the founder of this company? So I would like to proudly introduce to you our founder of this company is Professor Cao Zhang. Okay. Okay. Actually, who is Professor Cao Zhang? Okay. He is a famous scientist in United States of America. Or let me do a simple introduction. Actually, Professor is born in China, mainland China. And then he studied his university life, I will say that in United States of America. And then he also went to Canada, University of Quebec to get his postdoctoral in biology. Okay. And then he going back to America to start his business or his factory there. So he is also an entrepreneur in United States of America. So I think everyone at least have a rough idea of who is Professor Cao Zhang. Okay. So he is also is the president of International Society for Cell Rehabilitation from USA, also the founder of Cell Boot Camp and founder of Cell Medicine. He also known as the father of biological washing in China. Actually, Professor Cao is famous of one of the first best person invent the so-called biodegradable all kind of detergent in mainland China. But actually, I would like to emphasize on the next three I would like to introduce that let everyone know about how important is this is what since the reform and opening up of mainland China since 1978, I will say that every 10 years, they have recognized top 10 people who have the most contribution to the China, okay, the reform and opening up. So during the 30 anniversary, 30 years of reform and opening up of China, Professor Cao Zhang is one of the top 10 person who has been recognized on stage. But I would like to actually not to is mention another gentleman I feel that is more famous before that or well-known, I would say well-known in Malaysia market is the other top 10 person is Mr. Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba. So I think if we can imagine that Professor Cao can, get the same recognition as Mr. Jack Ma is not easy, right? It's a big deal, right? I remember. And I would like to say even a better news is another 10 years during the 40th anniversary of this reform and opening up of the China, Professor Cao Zhang was once again been recognized as the top 10 people who contribute the most. And this time he is, I would say that award with the most outstanding scientist in China. Okay, so the last but not least I would like to introduce is Professor Cao Zhang also awarded from the United Nations Lifetime Achievement Award in 2019. I'm sure that this is really something. This is really a big deal, right? So I hope that for the ladies and gentlemen, okay, at least we have a rough idea of, okay, what is Professor Gao Zhang, or who is Professor Gao Zhang? And also, Professor is the author of a few very important books, okay, including the cell positive energy, cell beauty therapy, okay, cell health therapy, and so on. And actually, he is also a quite famous singer, I would say. Okay, so talk about, since Professor is a scientist himself, and I would say that invented a lot of product. What is the idea? Why Professor go into this so-called, now we know about the 5G quantum energy hydrogen-rich water processor? Then this I would like to, share another story. Let me bring everyone to Germany. Okay, so through our eyes, okay? And I would like to tell the story is about this, I will say that small village or small countryside called Northern-Now. Why I say that this is a very small village? Because until today, I Google, Northern-Now only have around, I will say that 200 over residents there. But this small village already attract, for the past 20 years, attract more than 2 million visitors around the world went to this Northern-Now. Why they went there? Because this Northern-Now is famous of, we call miracle water. What is so-called miracle water? Or I will start from the other incident or the other story. Actually, sadly, I would say that in 1986, there's a major accident in the world from where this place is called Chernobyl. Actually, where is Chernobyl? Is is located at Ukraine, or at that time is known as Russia. Okay, now is independent as Ukraine. There is a nuclear plant explosion. Nuclear plant explosion means a lot of the radiation leakage. So as we know, the so-called radiation leakage will cause a lot of side effect, a very serious side effect, as serious as we call all the skin cancer and all type of cancer. And according to Wikipedia, I just searched, okay, they estimated this so-called radiation leakage affected more than 500,000 people. 500,000 people, at near the Ukraine there. So what this story linked to Northern-Now? Because at that time, I would say that the owner is Thomas family. And then they have news that actually they give a trade to 10 children, which phase is the last stage of so-called leukemia. Okay, is one type of the cancer, already is the last stage already. So that the owner say, okay, I would like to have a good trade to the children, let them come to Northern-Now, because we know that Germany is a very beautiful country. Like until now, 70% of the surface of the country is surrounded by jungle, by all the green. So they want the children have sadly said that a very nice memory. But what miracle happened is after they get the children to the Northern-Now and play in the so-called the cave, okay, go inside the cave and then drink the water in the cave. Surprisingly, after a few weeks, one of the children, the so-called the cancer or the leukemia, is 100% recover. And even that children is live until today. Of course, today is a young guy already. And another rest of the children, I would say that every one of them, even though not 100% recover, but they all get a very good result in recovery. So that's why since then, with the word of mouth, they become very famous. A lot of people throughout the world, not only at Germany or so-called the Ukraine, they pay a visit to Northern-Now to go inside this cave. Actually, it's a mine cave, okay, abandoned mine cave, to drink that water. And even you can search on Wikipedia, people with the so-called the diabetic, with the heart disease, with all kind of problem. Even there's a lady claimed that she already blind, cannot see things. But after going inside to this cave a few days, drink the water, the eye can see again. Is believe it or not, is left to you. And this is now stated in so-called the Wikipedia. So since then, a lot of visitors went to this small village Northern-Now. They not only go for one day, most of them will stay there a few weeks, up to 3 months. Every day go inside this cave to have, to drink the water. So that's why this one on internet they call Northern phenomenon. Northern phenomenon. Of course, this word not only attracted a lot of the so-called sick people, also attract many scientists around the world, especially all the, I mean, the medical related scientists or doctor. They are so surprised why so many sick people after they have the water inside this so-called the mine cave, and then they can be recovered. So a lot of scientists go to do a lot of the scientific experiment expedition. So one of the scientists, good news, is our founder, Professor Cao Zhang. Also is one of the scientists that attracted or to visit Northern himself. So actually, he went there for 3 times. Why 3 times? So I would like to share with you, all fellows, friends and leader. At the first time, Professor went there. He took the sample and went back to US, as I told you, because he has a factory and scientific lab in US, United States of America. He bring the water sample going back to America. But after the result came out, it's a bit of disappointment. Why? Professor found that just like a normal mineral water, but it's a scientific mind that told him that it's not possible just a normal mineral water get this kind of effect. So after a few years, he went back the second time. This time, he took the water sample, and where he go back to mainland China, his factory, and also I would say that his another lab in mainland China, and do the same so-called testing, experimenting. Also a bit disappointed. Came out the result also the same. Mean just like a normal mineral water. And then this time, the third time, Professor think that there must be something special inside the cave. So that's why the third time, he bring the whole team of scientists, his own research team, okay, including some scientists from US, from German, from China, okay, to went back to this cave to do all kind of experiment or testing on spot, on location. I will say that on site. Okay, so I bring out my laser pointer to let you know. Okay, SP, you can see that my laser pointer here is a main gate. As maybe you were surprised, Michael, you told us there is a mine or a cave, right? Of course, my friend, why they built a very good, or I will say that very nice entrance, because since it's so famous, they start collecting the entrance fee. Everyone, before going inside the mine, they have to pay 8 euro. 8 euro is like, I think it's around 40 ringgit right now. Okay. And all the, I will say that people or participants, sorry, my words, okay, they went inside, they can drink as much water as they can, but they can only stay there for half an hour, mean 30 minutes for 8 euro. So a lot of people went there, they stay down, and then they went inside, they go inside the cave 3 times a day, okay? And then they do a lot of training. I cut the story short. I cut the story simple and the story short. The first professor found out one thing very special is the water, while the water was inside the cave, there's very rich in hydrogen, my friend. And professor say, think that, no wonder this makes sense, because I believe that every one of it, we still remember during our school time. Okay, during our school time, we still remember this table or not? We call it the periodic table of elements, right? Means where is hydrogen, my dear friends? Of course, I will give you the answer on the spot. Hydrogen actually is the number 1. What mean number 1? Mean that hydrogen is the tiniest, smallest, also the lightest element in the universe that we already known. So that's been after the water bring out from the cave, we can't keep the hydrogen for a long time. After a few hours, all the hydrogen will gone because it's too tiny and too light. That's why professor said that, this really makes sense. Okay, so this is the first, I will say that what professor found. And then the second thing that I hope you can, on this cave, you can see some green plant here, right? You see my laser pointer, I do some circle, okay? And then why this one catch the attention of professor, my dear friend? Because we all know that in school time, just a general knowledge, all the green plant, how they get their own food? They need the sunlight, right? They need the sunlight to go through the process called photosynthesis. I still remember. But because since this is a cave for 100 meter deep, inside. There's no sunlight. Professor said, why you can see this light? Actually, it's a flashlight. For the sake of, we took the picture, the photo. So professor put the flash there. So I want to share this story is, after they do some testing, professor found second thing. Inside this cave, they have very high in quantum energy. So professor said that no wonder, because this quantum energy is so rich that can substitute the sunlight to let the green plant to go through this, their process to create their own food. So that means, by simple saying, conclusion is, while this water in the cave, there's first very rich in hydrogen, and then the second is very rich in quantum energy, my dear friend. Okay, so all right, I put this. Okay, so after they found also, professor also came out from the so-called the cave and stay nearby there, or the hotel, motel, this kind of thing. So he also went interview. I would say that it's talked to a lot of the visitor, or we call so-called patient there. Why they come all the way from their own country to stay there? They found that some of them are the breast cancer patient. Some of them, a lot of them are diabetic or heart disease patient, or even have a very serious rheumatism patient. And also at that time, our professor, this is the professor with his research team, okay, from China, from German, and from US also. And also professor also have exchange research with the Northern Now chief physician, we call Dr. Tepsesky. Because as you can imagine, okay, during 20 years, 2 million over visitor mean every day, averagely of 300 to 400 visitor there. Of course, they have hired so-called a chief physician there. And our professor also confirmed the Chernobyl, nuclear accident with Thomas, the owner of this cave. Okay, so at least I know you that this is I let you share with you the whole story of how doctor found that so interested about this, interesting about this Northern Now phenomenon. Also, we have calculated how much it costs for us to travel all the way to Northern Now to get this effect, okay, to enjoy this effect from the cave, from the water. So we have put in, the return air ticket, including the entrance fee of the cave for 3 times a day for 3 months, and like the 3 months hotel lodging, okay, and 3 months of food expenses, everything we sum out, my dear friend, we need to spend at least 40,000 ringgit Malaysia for one for one person, for us to wait all the way to Northern Now. And my friend, of course, I understand that a lot of people, they are afford to pay this 40,000 ringgit. But my friend, it's not only about 40,000 ringgit. I always believe that because for us to went there, go to Northern Now, we have to stop our job. I will say that to stop our business, to left behind our family in Malaysia, and we just need to prepare for 2 to 3 months, okay, or even a longer time, okay, to Northern Now. So I will say that thank you to Professor Cao Zhang. Now, we don't have to fly all the way to Northern Now, Germany. As long as we own this, I will say that 5G quantum energy hydrogen-rich water processor, our whole family can enjoy the water. And I can assure you that the design of this water processor is, professor is trying to, simulate the same condition as good as inside the so-called the Northern Now, the abandoned mine cave. Okay, so this is the why this this water processor was introduced. And then also, as you know that as I share with you, professor also is the founder of the cell medicine in the world. So this is his thesis, that why do people get sick? And professor found that there's only one disease in the world, is our cell get sick, or we call it cell disease. Okay, why? Because as we know that our body is built up by 60 trillion of cell, right? As long as every single cell very healthy, our body will become healthy. As long as the cell start become not so healthy or get sick, we will start get sick. And I always believe that professor, he himself is the best testimonial, okay? He have the cell boot camp or reboot camp, I should say. So professor always joking with us, you see, 10 years ago, He said this photo 10 years ago is his uncle. And then 5 years ago, the photo is his brother. And this is now is his own photo. But of course, I say that professor is joking. All this is professor himself. Okay. So my friend, when we talk about why our cell can get sick, okay, I make it very simple because of the advancement of the technology nowadays. All the scientists already found out that the main factor of early aging or the shorter life expectancy in human is because of free radical. Actually, free radical in terms of science, I try to explain. Of course, science is very boring. In terms of science, is the so-called the molecule. They have a few electrons, right? At least one pair of the electron is not pair. Mean they are very unstable stage. When this free radical go inside our body, they will, simple saying, attack our healthy cell. Okay, so I will share with you first, where is the source of this, all the free radical? Actually, it can be come from air pollution, come from radiation, come from smoking, come from all the pesticide, herbicide, come from stress and alcohol abuse or drug abuse. All this can cause a lot of free radical inside our body. Or by simple saying, my dear friend, we can treat the free radical is like the terrorist inside our body. When this free radical went into our body, they will start to attack all our healthy cell. Okay, I'll give you a simple illustration. Okay, like this, I always say it's like a fried egg, right? It's like a healthy cell. And then cell was attacked by all kind of the free radical. And then when our cell become attacked, okay, this is called the oxidized cell. Or my friend, I share a very simple saying because I have been attend a seminar by a doctor. The doctor is expert in cancer treatment. And we all believe that, or we say that we agree that every one of us have some sort of cancer cell in our body, right? But as long as we can control the volume of the so-called cancer cell is not too much, we are okay. Don't worry. But I will say that what is so-called cancer cell? That doctor give a very simple explanation. With I will say remember until today. We can imagine that our cell is very intelligent. Intelligent because inside we have so-called DNA, right? My dear friend, everyone over here about DNA. Mean the cell know where to grow the right cell. We know that on top of our head, we grow our hair. On the tip of our nail, the finger, we grow the nail. If one day the DNA being destroyed or attacked by the so-called free radical, it become destroyed, mean like it start to grow nail on top of our head. Oh, sorry, that's so-called the cancer cell, right? Cancer cell mean the cell, they keep on growing the wrong type of cell in the place that not supposed to be and uncontrollable. So I hope you can understand what this doctor trying to explain to us. So that I will say that now the science already can confirm that free radical can cause destroying immunity, damaging cell, hindering distortion, and all kind of this so-called, including the cancer, the stroke, the diabetic, okay, or the wrinkle, even as simple as or the hypertension is all caused by free radical, my dear friend. Okay, so come back to the story. Why this water machine, or we say that the hydrogen-rich water processor can help us to get rid of free radical? What is the relationship? As we know, we talk about our very old days of school, very simple understanding. What is so-called water in terms of science? We say that it's H2O, right? Mean there's two hydrogen combined with one oxygen, H2O become water. And then some kind of doctor invented some kind of the technology to separate the H2 with the O, okay, to separate it. So inside our body, inside the water, after process is very high in H2, mean very high or very rich in hydrogen. And when we drink the water, go inside our body, when we meet the water, H2 meet the O, I will say that they reborn back, they combine back and become water. Okay, and then we just, through pass urine and pass motion, everything, get it from our body. And then I want to tell the story, what is this O? Actually, this O is so-called the free radical, my dear friend. Single O. Yeah, maybe you think that, Michael, something all right. Since we are in school day, we have been taught that we depend on oxygen to live, right? Yes, my dear friend. Yeah, correct. But maybe we just forget that what type of oxygen that we need is the O2. You remember? O2 is the oxygen that we breathe. Okay, the single O actually is a free radical. And what can prove that too many of so-called this single O is not good for us? I think we still remember one very simple experiment during school day, my friend. Do you still remember that we take an apple, cut the apple into half, and put on the table? After half an hour, what happened to the apple, my dear friend? Do you remember? The water can become, the apple can become like yellowish, right? And teacher told us that this is called oxidation. The apple, the surface of the apple is already been oxidized. Remember, right? So actually, it's same as our. So we always say that antioxidant mean is anti-aging. Now we can understand, right? So my dear friend, just by drinking water, the more AAA water you drink, the more free radical we will bring up from our body. So this is the first is about, we get rid of all the free radical. Okay. So thanks to Professor Cao Zhang, this is exclusive sales of US and China patent. We get the FDA also, the from the US, and proudly present you the AAA, or we say AAA, quantum energy hydrogen water processor. And thanks to the hard work of Professor, we tends to make this technology very small also. So now also we come into our picture is the AA portable quantum energy hydrogen water bottle. Because why, my dear friend, as we mentioned earlier, hydrogen is the tiniest element or the lightest element as we know. So I encourage everyone, we drink this hydrogen water is as fresh as possible. Because after process a few hours, all the hydrogen is, I will say that, disappear. So that's why this water bottle come into place, because some customers say that, hey, Michael, we need to drink this water during our work also. So if we bring the water from our house, went to a workplace, after a few hours, all the hydrogen is gone. So that's why we come in the water bottle for those who travel very frequent. Okay. So, all right. And then the second I would like to share is, my friend, what is quantum energy, the function? From what angle this quantum energy come into play and what is the function? Okay, what is this, my dear friend? I hope everyone can imagine this as our blood vessel. I will say that since our born or since young, our blood vessel was very clear and very smooth, like a highway, right? But as we age, okay, there's something that stuck beside the highway. Okay, what is this, my friend? Actually, this is the so-called the cholesterol or the triglyceride or the blood lipid, this kind of thing. And my friend, where all this thing come from? Just I make it very simple. My dear friend, this is my favorite. Do you of anyone have the same favorite with me? Actually, this is even I like this one even the most, sorry to say, okay? And also come from this. I think as a Malaysian, we are not, I will say that we are familiar with all this food, right? So the more we eat, the age, and then our blood vessel from a very white, you see, from a very clear become so tiny. So that's why this will affect our blood flow in our body, right? And we believe that even from the TCM in traditional Chinese medicine, a lot of problem will happen when our blood flow is not so smooth in our body. But also a good news that we only also hear that there's a lot of mineral elements in our blood, right? Like inside our blood, we hear that we have iron, we have calcium, we have magnesium, we have zinc, and so on, right? So this quantum energy can be resonant, the word resonant, with all these so-called mineral elements in the blood, and let them have a very high frequency. I would say that, actually I cannot find the effect. There's a vibration, a very fast high frequency vibration to clean off this clog or all this thing blockage in our blood cell. So the more we drink the water, besides get rid of all the so-called free radical, they also will help to clean up all the blood vessel. So my dear friend, simple saying, as long as the problem or the sickness is caused by free radical or the so-called the blood flow is not so well, this can be, I will say that settled, okay? And now clinically already proven that the effective improvement of many kind of the problem of the sickness of our body, including cancer, okay, and other you can see from here, or insomnia, or even cataract, even diabetic, okay, so many problems. So my dear friend, I will start to do a simple conclusion. This is from online. I will say that from the doctor, group of doctors, they found that they just boil down to there's a 12 major function of hydrogen-rich water in our that affect our human body. So the first, that hydrogen water really help a lot on reducing the so-called the high blood pressure or the hypertension. Also will improve the diabetic condition. Okay, and talk about diabetic, my dear friends. This is something really worrying me. Okay, that actually KKM also announced that at the moment we have more than it's around 4 million diabetic patients in Malaysia. And all the adults, this is Malaya, there was out in Malaysia. Every 1 out from 5 adult in Malaysia is we have the diabetic problem. Either they known or they unknown. Okay. So this is really a very huge market, like my dear friends. Okay. So also, I will say that I would like to share the third also. This is very good for the guy, the prostate problem. Also, this is treat the gastric problem. And hydrogen-rich water is really helpful in remove all the so-called the stone, gallstone, kidney stone, bladder stone. It helps a lot. And also for the so-called the ladies problem, the cyst, the fibroid. Okay, this kind of the issue. And then, okay. And also this will help that the arthritis, very serious arthritis, people, the gout condition, okay. And, okay, and control hair loss, improve the stroke problem, okay. And then prevent heart disease, even not only high blood pressure, even the low blood pressure problem also is really can help, okay. And help in anti-aging, I think a lot of people. So also we have do some simple, have a feedback or test from the customer. So we found that this, after drinking this so-called the AAA hydrogen-rich water, will really help to act, I will say that reactive our blood cell in the blood. So you can see that before drink this, all the blood cells stick together like a very heavy jam now. I think now it's many sector already opening up. I think most of us can realize some traffic jam already back, on the road. And you can see after drink the water, all the blood is flowing very smooth, my dear friend. Okay, so I would like to take this another around 10 to 15 minutes to share with you some of the testimonial that I will say that some of the feedback from our customer, there, my dear friend. Okay, so first I would like to share this. Gentleman is from Miri. He has stroke for 15 years already. And after only consume the AAA water for only 3 days, my dear friend, you see the hand can be lifted already. Okay, this the effect after 3 days. Of course, he continued to have this, get the water. And this lady is from police. Okay, she also, I will say that unluckily, get the stroke for almost 2 years. That's what I hear from our customer. And after you see, after 1 month, 1 month later, the hand and the leg can easily be lifted already. And after 2 months, this lady, I will say congratulations, or thanks God that she can stand up and walk again. She was so happy and with this condition, okay? And then we talk about besides stroke, just now I have mentioned that actually this is very helpful. Hydrogen water, especially very effective, very fast towards all the so-called the diabetic problem. Like this lady actually is selling dessert, obviously Tong Sui, okay, in Sandakan. She completely unaware that her blood sugar was so high, 25.2. And on the spot, because we do some testing party, sometimes some of our customer or agent, they give some free testing on the blood sugar thing. And also they give away the free water on the spot. After she just drank 5 glasses of the hydrogen-rich water, it dropped to 21.5. And of course, she was so happy. So she continued to get this water from one of our agents and drink. After 2 weeks, my dear friend, it dropped until 7.4. Okay, so she was so happy. And then this gentleman also would like to share the testimony is he started to I will say that consume or drink our water is because of high blood sugar problem also is 13.6. After try the water after 1 hour is dropped to 9.9. So this gentleman continue to consume the water, and thanks to one of our very young, very kind gentleman agent also, Calvin. Okay, he send the water there every day. But what is this make this gentleman more happy is after 3 weeks, he share with our agent, because he not only is the diabetic, because he was have this diabetic problems for so many years already. So even affect the kidney. In fact, that the doctor already asked, after 3 weeks, his appointment went back to see the doctor, want to start arrange this gentleman to do the dialysis. But what surprised this gentleman is when he met the doctor do all kind of testing, say, okay, the doctor is so surprised. Oh, okay, at the moment, sir, you no need, you hold on, I will say hold on, I'm not saying no need to do the dialysis first. You come back after 3 months, because now the reading already dropped. Congratulations, the condition already improved. So you only need to come back after 3 months to do the testing again, to determine again, do you still need the dialysis or not? So this gentleman is so happy, my friend, because that the time that we just found out that he not only diabetic, also got a kidney failure problem. So thanks that, I will say that, so happy that this product really helped a lot of people. And Mr. David also, first reading was 21.5. After drinking the quantum energy hydrogen rich water, dropped to 13.8. Yeah, this, I would like to share our experience with you, especially those, if we have friends or relatives who facing this so-called the diabetic or the high blood sugar problem. In one, the best is morning, during empty stomach. Okay, they try to drink the big cup of water, around 4 to 5 glasses. Okay, and around 1 hour, you test the blood sugar again. Usually, they will have a very good result. And after a few weeks, the condition even will improve further. So you see, so on the spot, he decided to purchase the water processor. After he drank for 3 days, reading dropped to 8.7. And this is also one of many our testimonies. So this gentleman before cannot get the reading. The reading was high, HI, my dear friend, you can see, right? So because this gentleman is from Penang, my hometown, so that's why I really love to talk about the story about our hometown. He was the employee, one of the employee of my friends, my schoolmate. Okay, I will say that. But after drinking the water for 30 minutes, can see the reading already, 30.5. Actually, I will say that, to be honest, at that time, I never see the blood sugar so high at this. And after 2 hours, we can see 26.8. After 5 days, 18.1. Another 15.6. After this is only like not even 1 month. Okay, almost 1 month, 13.5. And after, my dear friend, you see, 1.5 months later, dropped to 8.8. He's so happy. He said, because so many years, never see the reading so low already. Okay, this gentleman. And I would like to share one more story. This young gentleman, also from Penang. Why I want to share this story is, a lot of people thought that diabetic only is the problem for the elderly, right, my dear friends? But actually not so, okay? Even young people also will face this so-called the diabetic problem. And this young guy, only 22 years old, 2 years ago when we met him, and who has been diagnosed with diabetic at the age of 12, my God. And he need to self-inject insulin 4 times a day. Actually so sad, right? And also he also know that he told us that his diabetic was not genetically inherited. Mean he not get it from his parent, because he admit that was due to he loved all kind of street food and drinks a lot. And also, since when he go to do the checking file that he is diagnosed with diabetic, is because he was overweight at one time and suddenly lost weight in weeks. So that's why go to check, and the doctor confirmed that you got this so-called the diabetic problem. So after he showed us the photo, and then, previously he was overweight, we just joking with him, hey, now you look so handsome since you are thin, slim down already. You know what it really caught in my mind until now? Because this young guy told us that I would rather be fat guy. I also do not choose or don't want to be a diabetic patient. So this is really sad story. So 15.1, after drink water, 8.6. Continue to drink, drop back to very normal. Okay, 4.7, my dear friend. And this is also another story from a young guy. So I just let you know that because this so-called problem is not only for elderly, even at this time for the young people also face the same problem. So we have many, I mean, the good result or testimony after consuming the AAA quantum energy hydrogen rich water for the blood sugar. So this is a really good news. Okay, and you can see from the photo also is no matter what kind of race, okay, or age also, they really can get the benefit from this water. Okay, now I would like to share some a bit special, I mean the other type of testimony. Okay, this lady, actually, I will say that he lost the sense of smell and taste before she drink this water, and this is before this pandemic time. Okay, so there was no taste in eating, and after she drink this water, the first is she began to smell something, and she start to taste. At first, she can only taste salty. Okay, and then after that, after drink water, continue to drink, she said that all the five senses, or she said that the five platter will come back. And who is one of the most happy person? She shared that is her husband, because her husband has replaced some pandan leaf in their bedroom for months, and she was unaware. But after that, she can start to get back the smell sense. Okay, she can smell the pandan leaf already. So that's why she was so happy, and then we start to introduce friends to drink the quantum energy water. So we also have the very good testimony or result from the people who has the skin problem. Okay, so all right, and then my dear friend, how much is our water processor? Okay, so actually I'll let you know the price is 8,990. I will say that the most important is the value. Okay, as you can imagine, if just now above, sadly, is one of our friends or relative who get all this kind of problem without take any medication, just drink water, they can get back their health. So it is worth it, my dear friend. If we divided by 10 years, means every year we spend less than 1,000. If we divided by 12 months, this means every month is only cost us less than 75 ringgit. If divided by 30 years or 30 days, mean every day is cost us less than 3 ringgit, right? I would say that it's almost the price of a cup of coffee or tea. And we divided by 4%, my dear friend, only around 60 cents, 63 cents a day only. Okay, so self-medicine healthcare products are the answer and fundamental of our health, my dear friends. Also, thanks to Professor, recently we know that we are facing another big problem throughout the world. It's not only our country, it's so-called this COVID-19, the pandemic problem. And what is this product? It's one of the latest invention of our professor, quantum energy hydrogen purifier. What it mean? It means is we direct inhale the oxygen plus hydrogen gas. So just now I share with you is the water processor. We get the benefit from the hydrogen is through drinking. Mean the water will go through our stomach, through all the digestive system. And we direct inhale the gas, mean which organ we will go through first is through our lung. And we all know that especially this COVID-19 problem is one of the things is from the lung, right? It affects the lungs so much. So this is really, I would say, the right product for the right timing. And there's one book in China was so popular. We say that this is the status that actually hydrogen can control all the cancer, or really can help in the treatment. Actually, it's launched by 4 most famous academicians in China. On 2019, June 1st. Okay, of course, one of the academician is I will say that academician Zhong Nanshan, which is quite famous at this time, right? And also, my friend, this is sorry, of course, is from China. The statement is in Chinese, but I would like to do a simple translation that the COVID-19 treatment program version number 8 mentioned that in China now they use hydrogen mixed oxygen inhalation, mean direct inhale the gas, okay, to use as one of the complementary treatment for COVID-19, my dear friends. And also I would like to point out that what is this? I want to show is very important is academician Zhong Nanshan also states that with the ratio of hydrogen over oxygen is 66.6% over 33.3% of oxygen over hydrogen. Okay, hydrogen over oxygen is the best ratio to use as a complementary treatment of COVID-19. And my dear friend, not only from all the way from China, even our KKM, Kementerian Kesihatan Malaysia, also stated that, this so-called inhale the gas mixed with 66% of hydrogen over 33% of oxygen, they use as one of the complementary. Actually, you can download all these things through the KKM website himself. You need to dig further down under the clinical study and then under all this. So you can find this article, okay? From our KKM. So that this is some of our customer that they was once confirmed with COVID-19 patient, but thanks God that of course now they all recover from it, and because they get a very good result, I will say that the recovery so fast, and then with all the very good improvement to all the side effect, this thing. So this is really I will say that the right product for the right timing, my dear friends. So once again, proudly present to you, okay, quantum energy hydrogen purifier and our 5G quantum energy hydrogen water processor with a more portable type of the hydrogen water bottle. And this product, we got the certified from not only FDA. I think FDA we know, but left out that TUV also is a very, I will say that authentication body in the world. This body has been around for more than 100 years, okay, in the world. All right. So my dear friends, so now the last, I would like to share with you today's the second opportunity, the business opportunity. So let me share with you. If we use this water processor, or we introduce to a friend, after we get a very good result, okay, what we can do or what we can get rid of this, I will say that this great product, okay, our marketing plan is very simple. Just imagine, as long as we purchase one water processor, which costs us 8,990, or the purifier, okay, the purifier is 9,990, we will automatically become one of the agent or become one of the member. Let's say you are here. So when we introduce Mr. A, okay, who also decided to purchase or to own this water processor for his own good or for the whole family, what you will get a sponsor bonus in terms of cash of 619 ringgit plus a shopping coin, is a product voucher 3,096 ringgit. Okay, total up you will get the so-called the benefit of around 3,007. Okay, once let's say that we introduce to another person, okay, Mr. B, also congratulations, you will get a cash bonus of 619 plus in terms of product voucher 3,096 ringgit. But when you introduce the second people, the B in the picture, every one pair of the product you introduce, we will give you a special bonus of 3,096 in cash, my dear friend. Or by simple saying, once you introduce Mr. A and Miss B to purchase the water processor, the total bonus or income is 10,526 with 4,334 ringgit in terms of cash, with around 6,196 in terms of product voucher. All this product voucher you can use to purchase all kind of product, because we have beauty product, we have the all kind of washing or detergent product and many health food product in our company. You can use to redeem all kind of product, or you can choose to, I will say that accumulate all this product voucher to redeem a bigger product like our water processor or even the water hydrogen purifier. Is up to you. It's all can be redeemed. Okay, my dear friend. So let's say if A introduce one more person underneath him or she, okay, and B also introduce another person, you will enjoy another 3,096 in cash, even though these two is introduced by A and B, not you. And I give you another example. whoever introduce another person there, as long as one more person or one more set of the water processor in this level 3, you will get another 3096 and another level. So you will get this one actually we call level bonus of 3096. My dear friend, how many level you can enjoy the level bonus? The answer is good news. Unlimited level of level bonus. I give you a very extreme example. As long, let's say, it's one line go down on your A team, there is a 10 set of the product, and B also 10 set of product, mean 30,960 of cash bonus we will pay to you. Okay, and start from the level 4, my dear friend. Okay, we have another set of, I will say that a special bonus, which we call is a pairing bonus. The first set of the product on A and on B, you will enjoy the so-called LB or level bonus. But how about the second set of the product on the fourth level and onward? You will enjoy the pairing bonus of 13%, or I make it simple. One water processor on the A side and another water processor on the B side, you will enjoy 805. Okay, so plus previously the level bonus 3096, you will get the bonus of 3,900 plus. Okay, all this is cash. And let's say I give you an example. On the next level, let's say that one can introduce 2%, 2% introduce another 4%, let's say. So the first set on the A side and first set on the B side, you will always enjoy the level bonus of 3096 cash plus another 1, 2, 3 set on the A and 1, 2, 3 set on the B. You will get 3 pair of the pairing bonus, which equal to 805 times 3, mean 2,415, my dear friend. At this level, your bonus is almost like 5,500. Okay, so this is our one of our bonus. And good news, because 2 can become 4, 4 can become 8, become 16, multiply 32, 64, and so on. There's a very, unlimited and very deep down, right? So that, my dear friend, of course, we have a limit. We will say that we will cap the limit. Okay, the pairing bonus daily limit or daily max out is you can enjoy up to 30,000 ringgit in one day, my dear friend. One day, not 1 month. 30,000 if times 30 days, then in 1 month, congratulations. Your monthly income for pairing bonus alone could be up to 900,000 a month, my dear friend. Or I say that, don't say about you max out 30 days. I will say that in 1 year, let's say in 1 year, 365 days, we max out 3 days enough. We also have 90,000, ringgit of the pairing bonus, right? Okay, beside the pairing bonus, we move on. We still have another type of the bonus, which we call is the, matching bonus. On the first generation, you will enjoy 10%, second generation 5%, up to the sixth generation 5%. Let me do a simple explanation, my friend. What means first generation? In this example, let's say you introduce A and B. A and B is your first generation. What is matching? Whatever pairing bonus A enjoy, the company will pay you another extra 10%, not deduct from A. Good news, not deduct from A, but pay you extra 10%. Let's say if A, when A enjoy the pairing of 805, you will get 80 ringgit 50 cents. If A enjoy 2,415, you will get pay extra 241.5. If A got maxed out 30,000, good news, you will get 3,000 on that day alone for the matching bonus. And whatever people introduced by A and B is considered your second generation, you will enjoy 5%. If that person get 805, you will get 40 ringgit and 25 cents and so on. Okay, if the person is enjoy the max out bonus of 1 day 30,000, congratulations. Even on the second generation, you still will enjoy 1,500. So I will give you another explanation is, my friend, how many person you can introduce? The answer is as much as possible. There's no limit. You can introduce maybe 10%, 20%, 30%. There's no limit. All this 10 or 20, 30% is all on your first generation. Let's say you introduce 10 people. And these 10 people introduce another 10 people, each of them. Mean on your first generation alone, you have 10%. And your second generation, there's 100%. So I give this example is because I would like to share with you, so if that sixth generation could be 6 people, also could be 60 people, also could be 600 people, and so on. There's no limitation. Okay, and another bonus, okay, that's not the only. There's one very special of our company is you will still enjoy so-called another 5% on your placement upline matching bonus. I mean the pairing bonus, my dear friend. Maybe all the while you can hear about is we will enjoy the person we introduce, right? But we will enjoy the income from our upside also, upline also. But we have a limit kept up to the value of your, I will say that investment 8990 times 3, 26,970. You will enjoy the placement upline, their pairing bonus 5%. Okay, up to the limit of 3 times what you invest. So my friend, so simple saying, okay, I just gave you a reminder, mean all our bonuses are calculated daily, okay? So, and no monthly maintenance or no yearly maintenance needed. This is a very good news. And only with a, rule that, requirement that your first sponsor person must placement on the left, mean on the A team. And also please be reminded all cash bonus, which I mentioned just now, are divided into 80% cash and another 20% in terms of product on your own choice. Okay, don't worry. And since we are the bonus are calculated daily, but every 15th and 30th of each month is the cash out date. So my friend, thank you so much, okay, for your time for this 1 hour on this very warm evening, special evening with us. And of course, I really encourage that if you would like to know furthermore, because maybe this is the first time you attend this sharing, please contact the person who introduced you to this, sharing. Or if whether you want to know more about the product or even know more about this so-called the marketing plan, the compensation plan, please contact them. Also, once again, thank you everyone.